again. If you want to know that how did I do my Rubik Cube with magic, all about practice and practicing and practicing all the time. And if you stop practicing, you may forget. Let's start. My assistants, please shuffle. I think that's enough. Stop. Perfect. Now we're gonna start. We remember our white daisy? Let's start it. Here, we're done our white daisy. Now, let's twist it down. Look, we have our white cross. Now, we'll start to make it look like a little upside down T. Now we're done, and now we have little upside down T's on each side. By fixing it, do you remember? Now we're done. There's no more little upside down T's, but the sides are finished too. Now, let's go to the top. Remember how to do it? Good. We're done. Let's check if we have any good corners. All of them are good. Remember how to do it? Now, we're almost done. It's just we gotta get these little dotty corners in the middle into the right place. Remember, if we have a finished side, what do we do? Great, we're finished. Hope you have fun watching my videos, and hope you subscribe and listen to my videos.